Good afternoon, friends. My name is Mr. Pochilola, the owner of Black Slides Online Tuition. I would like to share with you some skills on the graphical design in which you can use your phone to create designs or graphics. Okay, so today I will show you how you can use an application called the Pixellab. Pixellab is an application, it's an Android application which you can use to design graphics. By this we mean you can design business cards, wedding cards, wedding invitation cards, birthday cards, and other beautiful things. Alright, so all you have to do is go to your phone, to your Play Store, and look for Pixellab, an application called Pixellab. The first one that pops up is the one, just select that, and you look for this icon. Look for this icon. That's the one we are looking for. So install it. But in my case, it's already installed, so I'll go ahead, open it. Okay. So immediately you open it for the first time, you'll be taken to a default workspace. This is called a workspace. All right. So all you can do now is to delete this text. So in order to delete the text, you simply click this button here, that one, to delete the text, the new text you have there. All right, so delete this. It will ask you to confirm deletion. So just go ahead, yes, click yes. All right, so we are going to design a logo. We're going to design a logo. I'll show you how you can use this amazing application to design a logo. All right, so first and foremost, you need to change the color, the background color. All right, so you click this and change color. I'll change this to white. Okay, I don't have any particular reason why I have to change the color to white. I just preferred to use white. So I want to design a logo for my business. My business is teaching online. So I'm going to design a logo for my online teaching platform, which is called Black Slides. Okay, so first I'll begin by adding a shape. So you click on the plus sign there and add a shape, and then I choose a circle, right, and then go down to choose this, what we call stroke color. So just go down and then choose stroke color and increase the stroke width. So you simply adjust this. Let's say you adjust this to 10 points. Okay, so this is the circle that we've drawn. I want my logo to be circular like this, and then you confirm by clicking OK. All right. So having done that, you go to arrows. Go to arrows and choose. I will choose this arrow here. Okay, this arrow, as you can see, it's double arrowed. Of course, you have the endings of the arrow are different, so let's try to make them the same. Okay, so we choose the what? We're going to choose the stroke color again of black color, and then increase the stroke color again to 10. So increase this to 10, but I want to have the endings the same. So the other end, I'll also make it look similar to the other one. So they should be similarly shaped. Okay. So having done that, then you select OK, and then you rotate the arrow so that it is horizontal, and you stretch it so that it fills the whole space end to end. It is so that it cuts through the circle, okay, like that. Okay, so we have something like this. Stretch this, adjust it so that it fits the whole space. Okay, take it nicely, do it nicely so that your logo comes out beautifully. Okay, all right, so we have started the journey into the journey to producing a beautiful design of our logo. This is going to be the logo for my business, but if you have a business again, you can design your logo for your business later on after I've taken you through this design. Okay, next you add another shape, also a circle. Then you choose the circle by selecting here. So you have another circle here, okay, and let's choose its color. We want it to be black again. So choose black, and increase the stroke for it. Increase the stroke to 10 again, and then you adjust its shape, its size, until it can fit exactly into the other circle. So these are like concentric circles. That's what you call them in mathematics. So we have two circles, one outside, the other one is placed inside so that it obscures the arrow, the inward arrow that we drew earlier on. And then you confirm it. So we have these shapes, and if you look at these shapes, you see that they are actually more movable. So let us make them one. So what you do is click the panel, and then choose to make them. Making means making them, putting them together so that they are like one object. All right. Okay, so right now it's like one object. So this is like one object. All right. Then we can add some text to it. You can add some text to it. All right. Let us add something like the name of the school. So we shall add the name of the school. In this case, the name of the school is Black Slides. So this is Black Slides. Black Slides. So Black Slides. Black Slides. Since it's a long name, you can just say Black Slides Online, and then hit OK button. Right, so this is Black Slides Online. Okay, so this is one word, but I want this to fill up a space within the logo. Okay, within the logo. So what we do is change the shape of the text into a curve. Okay, so you curve it just to stretch this, so like that. Okay, and then try to move it into the circle so that it is curved. Yeah, something like this. Just curve something like that to make sure that it is fitting nicely, like that. Okay. You repeat this. You repeat the process by inserting another text. So you bring another text here, and then type secondary school. Remember, it's Pixellab online secondary school. So type secondary school. Yeah, and then click OK. Also change the shape into a curve. So you click curve, and then you adjust this. This time go to the negatives because you want it to curve upwards. So you do this, and then you fit it into that. But if you look at this carefully, you find that it's not properly fitting into the circle there. So give it more, and then try to adjust it like that. So now we have our complete name, Pixellab Online Secondary School. Accept it, and then you can choose to adjust the nature of the text. For example, you can choose style and make it bold. Okay, and repeat the same there, make it bold again. Okay, so our logo is taking shape slowly but surely. Also remember to merge this so that it should be one object. Right, so we have merged it. It should be measurable. You need to make this so that it should not be like separate objects. Let's merge again, or we can just lock this so that the parts, the components do not move apart. You can see now it's fixed. The parts are no longer movable. All right. Then we also bring in another important part, which is a shape from my gallery, and then we adjust this one beautifully and nicely. Be patient to it and to yourself so that your logo comes out very, very beautifully. Right, something like that. That's what I would love my logo to have. Okay, so this can be adjusted. You can adjust this nicely and beautifully, and place this into the inner circle. Okay, something like that. All right, so we have this one, and the two are now merged together. Right. Okay. All right, so these are now merged together, but like I said, the components should be locked so that no part of it is flying away from the others. All right, so you see our logo is slowly taking shape. All right, so this is our logo. Now, next you Next, you click here on the background and change the background to transparent. Okay, so having changed this to transparent, then you go, you remove the what, you remove the, we have changed the background to transparent. Having done that, then you choose you can appreciate that now your logo is changing, is taking shape. So it's slowly taking shape. Okay, your logo is slowly taking shape. Your logo is slowly taking shape. All right, for the time being, we would like to save this. Okay, so we save this one. In order to save it, just go to this icon and choose save as image, because it will give you an option to choose the quality of the image. I prefer to choose ultra quality and then save to gallery.
Create any video you can imagine. Getting started with Bing Video Creator is easy.
Okay.
Open the Bing app and click the home page
don't
there.
mind this.
Then simply type a description of the video you want.
Don't mind this advert. You can choose to close this one. All right, and then get out of this by simply clicking exit, and then you have something like that. So you open the Pixellab, and then, like I said, delete this text, and then go ahead to add your already designed logo. So your logo is this one here. Good afternoon. Didn't you already borrow? Last time we borrowed.
Last time, yes, I borrowed, but then I changed it.
Oh. Okay, borrow one and get your name here. Alright, so we have brought back the image that we created, the logo, and then click OK. So this is our logo. So I'm teaching it. So this is our logo, and then it already has taken the shape of a logo, but there are few adjustments that we can make to it to make it even more beautiful. Right, so having done this now, we can make more adjustments, but it is just okay at the moment. It is still looking beautiful. Alright, so click on the background, and then choose color. Alright, so if you look at this again, you see something like this. You see something like this. You see something like this.